Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about tongue twisters. How tongue twisters help me to improve my English speaking and how I practice them. So today's video is going to be very informative and interesting. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. And before starting this video, I just want to request you that please click on the CC button to add the subtitle. So everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and I share my English speaking journey here. So if you are also learning English and going through the same phase as me, then this channel is for you. Tongue twister play a huge role in English speaking journey. It improves clarity of speech, it improves fluency, it improves confidence, and if you stuck while talking, while speaking, it will improve drastically. Okay, so I just want to share one of my experiences, which is whenever I used to talk in English, I spoke in English, like while reading, while doing shadowing, or just normal conversations, I get stuck. Okay, suddenly I get stuck, and I was like, what's the problem? Like while shadowing, I used to get stuck. While reading books, I used to get stuck. I fumbled. Okay, while reading. So I searched in Google that what's the reason that I stuck every single time whenever I try to read something in English in different like difficult words, or if it's not that difficult, still I get stuck. Okay, while reading, while speaking. So I searched in the Google and I searched also on Instagram. So I like saw a video. I heard from a video that tongue twisters helps a lot. So I start with easy tongue twisters. Like I start with still remember that I start with red lorry, yellow lorry, and I also shared that tongue twister on Instagram video. So I started with red lorry, yellow lorry, and then I moved on to the next tongue twister, which was unique New York. Unique New York. So the first tongue twister, red lorry, yellow lorry, helps on the sound L, and this tongue twister, unique New York, helps on the sound Y. Okay, and then after like practicing these tongue twisters, I used to practice every single day in the morning for 5 minutes or for like 10 times. Okay, I repeat 10 times in a faster way to practice this tongue twister, and this is easy peasy. These two tongue twisters very easy, and then I jumped into the like hard tongue twisters. Okay, and I don't recommend you to do that, because just go with the flow. Just practice easy tongue twisters first, then move on to the harder ones. But I didn't. I just jumped into the harder ones, and then I not that harder, but that was harder for me. So I jumped into the tongue twister, which was she sells seashells on the seashore, and Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought some bitter butter to make the bitter butter better. So it seems difficult, but I have a trick. So I just want to show you the trick. Okay, so this tongue twisters, she sells seashells on the seashore. So just whenever you practice the tongue twister, whenever I practice this tongue twister or whatever new tongue twisters, I used to practice like this. You can see. Okay, so highlight the tongue twister, the whole tongue twister, in different colors, different sound. If you like she, she, I highlight the she in green color highlighter, and then cells like se sound in yellow highlighter, and then again se sound in yellow highlighter, and then sh sound in green highlighter. So you can also practice like this. Okay, this is super easy. This technique is super easy. So just highlight different sounds in different colors. Okay, and then you can focus more. So I like learned this tongue twister like this. So she sells seashells on the by the or whatever seashore. Okay, and you can also divide the tongue twister in parts. Like you can also divide the like Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. So you can also like divide into parts the whole tongue twisters, and you can also practice like this, like highlight in different colors, in different sounds. Okay, so two techniques I follow to learn tongue twisters, and it's very helpful. So I just want to recommend you to learn like this because it's helpful. And that's all for today, guys. Just practice each tongue twister for 5 times, at least for 5 times every single day, and it will improve your speaking clarity and your confidence, and like drastically. Okay, and it improves mine also. That's why I recommend you. And every single day in the morning, after waking up, after making my bed, I used to speak one tongue twister for 5 to 10 times, and every single day I do this definitely. Before the chores I did this. I used to do this. So I just want to recommend you that you to do the same to improve your speaking clarity. And that's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, please do like and share with your one friend, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because the more you subscribe, the more I can make videos like this. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.